Here's a tip to help you with your line type scale. The line type scale is the command LTSCALE, and you can see on this one it's 100, and this shows how these line types show through the viewport. This does not look correct. This viewport is at a 20 scale, so our LT scale for construction documents should be 20, and you can see how that changed, and this looks appropriate. For preliminary drawings, however, LT scale, we like to set it 50% larger, so 30. And the reason we like to do this is primarily for dimensions and multiliters. The dimension size and the multiliter size is based upon the LT scale. So now that we have our LT scale set, we can run sieve dim, and that sets our dimension style. And so now that's going to be sized appropriately for this drawing. And sieve MLS is going to set up our multiliter scale, and we can type that in, and now that's sized appropriately for either the proposed or the existing. But if our LT scale is 50% bigger than our viewport scale, then that will make these dimensions and multiliters a little bit bigger on the preliminary drawings, which will be helpful to see when people print them out on a small 8.5 by 11. So again, the viewport scale, you can select this and look in your properties, and it's shown there as a 20 scale. And for preliminaries, set your LT scale as 50% larger than whatever your viewport scale is. And that's it for today. Thanks.